video. Today I'll be printing really something for my entire family. It's sort of like a heart. It's a bit like a heart, but it's got a cube with text in as well. So yeah, I've tried it before and it really didn't go well, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Fingers crossed. So yeah, I've started to export the G-code to my memory card. So, because I've tried it before and it took absolutely ages, so I thought I'd start it before the video and see if it was done before, which it doesn't look like at the moment. So, I'll just show you in Slicer. So, this is Slicer. I don't know if you've already seen my other videos. If you have, you'd know what I'm talking about with Slicer. So, you've got all of your filament settings and print settings. If you haven't seen all of that sort of stuff, just go and check out my other videos, and you'll find some info on that. So as you see down here, it is loading it slowly but surely. So yeah, you'll probably know from my last video, I think it was, that since I've got my printer completely up and running, I am now using my SD card, which is in my dad's computer. It is right down there. It's right there, basically. So, yeah, I'll stick that in my control screen, which is right there, which I'll show you in a little while. So, yeah, I'll just get straight to the print. And so G-code's almost exported. So, yeah, I'll just wait for it to export and I'll just show you the control screen. I've saved the G-code to my SD card. So I'll just show you, since I haven't done this before, I'll just show you how you put it in on a wet wrap printer. And so yeah, I'll just take you from there. So basically, you just go around to the left side, look for this little gap, and then you just want to slot the SD card straight in there. And then it will restart the screen, but only like half a second, and then it will say card inserted. And then you just click the button, go down to print from SD card, pick which one it is. This is the one for me, and you just press it and then it'll just start up, and I'll just show you. So press and it starts up. So I am going to stick it on time lapse for the print because if you've got your 3D printer, you know how painful it is just watching it for hours and hours and hours and hours. And I could just go on with the hours. So yeah, it takes absolutely forever to print, but it looks like this one started okay. So I'll just stick it on time lapse and I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so the print's finished. It's turned out really well. Here it is. So it's it's Dad, Kathy, Ben, and Joe. Well, Kathy is the name of my stepmom. I'm Ben, and my brother is Joe. I think you've seen him in the Minion video. If you haven't seen that, definitely go and check it out. So yeah, overall, I'm extremely impressed with this print. Look, that was the love heart that I was talking about, just the top bit. So yeah, I think it's really nice. I probably am going to do a ABS print with it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that video as well. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.